So we are in pre-market right now on the Ochanos channel. Pete, pay attention. Come on, man. Hey, pay attention. Hey, trying to ask you a question, buddy.
I love girl.
You love girl, but I'm a boy. We're gonna have a good day today. On the stock market, on the Ochanos channel. Yeah? You're taking a dump on camera. Okay. Yeah, take that for what it is. It's pre-market right now, and I don't know, Pete says he took a dump, so I don't know how exactly to take that. For entertainment purposes only. I don't know. If the market takes a dump, then he's got a good track record on the Ochanos channel. Good luck today, everyone.